here in our press avail to bring you and the people that you serve up to date with how this enormous, historic winter storm in our city continues and is going. Yesterday, most of you are well aware that I issued a declaration of local disaster emergency for all of Marion County. As such, Mesa upgraded our travel status from a watch to a warning, the highest level that there is. Once again, I'm advising all Indianapolis residents who are not considered essential personnel to please stay off the roads and remain indoors if possible for your own safety and in particular for the safety of these wonderful crews who are out trying to clear the roads as efficiently and as effectively as they can, but also for the safety of our first responders across the board, for hospital, medical personnel that are called upon to be out and about, going to and from work. These people all deserve our respect, and I'd simply ask the residents of the city of Indianapolis, and frankly, I'd even respectfully request that the entire metropolitan Indianapolis area heed these warnings. But each individual counties make those decisions on their own. We expect this travel warning to remain in place until midnight tonight, at which point we will likely return to a watch status. At that time, only essential travel, such as to and from work, will be recommended. Now, I do want to acknowledge that this has been a trying time for everyone, including all the residents, all of my neighbors throughout this community, and the community as a whole. I am very aware that schedules have been disrupted and plans have been postponed due to the inclement weather that has hit Indianapolis over the past few days. To all of our neighbors who have demonstrated understanding, to all of those who have demonstrated patience in the wake of this extraordinarily severe weather, as mayor, on behalf of the entire city, I thank you. The good news is this: we have cleared the first major hurdle of this storm. While we are dealing with sub-zero wind chill temperatures and remaining hazardous road conditions, the snowfall has ceased. And that means we are now in a position to secure the safety of our streets once more. But of course, this wouldn't be possible without our AFSCME Local 725 and Local 3131 DPW crews. Having been out there with some of these folks just yesterday, I saw firsthand how difficult their work at a time like this truly is. So thank you to every individual out in the frigid cold right now, clearing our streets. And of course, thank you to all of our first responders. As you all well know, emergencies don't wait for the snow to clear. We are deeply grateful to have committed folks like our first responders and DPW personnel to be committed to protect our residents in vulnerable moments like this.